Finished. MTD didn't quite turn out the way I planned. The blue is almost non-noticeable, but it fills in that gap. I have other stickers to go on it. Yeah, lovely. I went for the hammered metal finish. Orange peel everywhere, but it's got good coverage. You can hear the depth in the paint. I can certainly feel it. Now, I managed to keep as much of that as possible. I had to go back in about a 10 mil or so the whole way around, right up along, because the glue was all gone tacky and the stuff had lifted. So I cut back as far as was safe to do so. Let me stay, I still got a bit of paper here. Can I get it off without pulling off? Yeah. Got it. Nice clean corner. I think in around there, I think I'll touch that up with a bit of semi-black. All come up nice and clean, all the blacks. Plastics all come up nicely. The mats, just give them a wash. I bet it's still a bang and the dirt is gone. That bonnet hook was quick. And all new, clean inside. The only thing was the rubber I got for the dipstick is a bit tight. It's not quite. I'll have to get a skinnier one. It's fine closing, just open as a nightmare. So, my nasty run at the end actually doesn't look too bad now. It looked dreadful at the time. So I have LED lights ready to go on a bull bar. Nice little bull bar. Hammered metal finish. A lump of just a lump of old steel bar. And nice little corners made up there out of bars of the what they call them, the Sky Mini dishes. They're good enough, and I can't lift them more, but you could. If you had enough strength, you'd lift it. I'm just too tired at this stage now to do it. So everything come up okay. Seat patched and all. The only thing is, the cheap silicone I used is coming off, but what I done was, there was a big hole there in the cushion, and what I done was I plucked out some of the foam and packed it with silicone, and then used a piece off an old seat of a bike and patched it down here as well. And I used silicone on the far corner, but I had to pick it off because it was rubbing off my clothes, so I'll have to patch that again with something else. Kept as much, like I said, as many labels as I could on it. So the battery was down a bit, but I reconditioned it and it's good. So like I said, I kept as what labels I could on it, and that's all I could keep of the original. And it's a bit of the corners. I think I might try maybe a blob of super glue in there when the paint is 100% set. I have lettering. It's a little tiny bit. They're about I think they're about 18 mil or something like that, and the ones I have are 20 mil to do the SN. So I'll see how I get on with it. I like those clear filters, those big ones. Okay, they might not be ideal, but I find them great, and so a lot of Jubilee clips, but it actually worked out better because that's nice and strong and it's on the outside of the engine. I just like to turn off the petrol when I'm finished because, well, I lost a tank of fuel once and can't be seen in there, but I put a horn on it. I also have put in a charging light, so I can see, so it's down about 0.1, so it's not, there's not much in it, so that's really 12.4. So yeah, nice dummy light with a use. I also put a switch in for the lights because I prefer to have the lights on the as a load on the battery, because you can see there straight away the load has come on there. Drop that down. Now I have fused the horn and the lights together, and I have LEDs for it, but I needed a front unit on it so that I could align them in it, and I have a nice little 10 amp fuse in there, which would be more than suitable for the horn. I'd say the horn pulls about 7 amps on a guess. So, recording again. It is 9:45. This is, had this going the other day and all, still works fine. LEDs and a horn, bit rattly but does the job. Cats get in the way, and have to give it a bit of throttle there. Yeah, the petrol turned off, so I'll just leave it alone. So it's still good and reliable. I had to cut a notch here. For years I put up with it, but just this year the grass got a bit too long on me for the first cut, so I took a small piece out of that and I chipped off some of my paint, and you can see how that started to rust again there, and I never even noticed it. Didn't rust up here, strangely enough. That was sprayed with the same spray gun and all, the same paint, and we ended up with a nice finish on it. I think my spray gun is just shagged. I have it 20 years. So this one here, I made an alteration to it. I put a pulley in here. Can't be seen really, but it's on a spring-loaded bracket in there. It's the only place I get it to work as a tensioner for the belt, and it allowed me to put cheapy belts on it. Handles come nicely, everything comes nicely on it. I've left the ignition switched on this one while I was gone. Yeah. Anyway, I won't need choke, but I will need a bit of throttle. Sounds quite sweet.